So I'm Walt DeGrange. I'm the Senior Director of Analytics at CANA, and I've been at CANA for about 10 years and am excited today to talk about the CCA or CANA Core Algorithms. And here with me is Margaret Hauser.
I'm Dr. Margaret Hauser. I've been at CANA for a few years now. I'm a Senior Operations Research Analyst, and I am in charge of CANA Core Algorithms. CANA Core Algorithms is effectively CANA's in-house solution inventory. So we have a number of really interesting and cool analytics models. Some of them are really bespoke and niche, but many of them can be applied to multiple different problems, different kinds of problems for different clients that we have. And so for these particular models that can solve many types of problems or problems for many clients that we have, we invest a little bit of extra time and energy into codifying this knowledge base and maintaining the code base, so we have something that we can reach and pull off the shelf to better address clients' needs. And this really helps us with faster development cycles for common problems. CANA Core Algorithms, first we kind of codify the knowledge base, so we don't just have one person that is the only person that knows this model. We have a variety of people. We also develop some proper documentation, so this will enable somebody else to kind of pick up this model and use it and better be able to tailor it to the next type of problem. So we have a team of analytics professionals within CANA that meets quarterly, and whenever we have a model, a particular analytics professional has a model that they think is incredibly useful, and maybe it's already demonstrated that it can meet the needs of multiple clients, or we see potential for it to meet the needs of multiple clients. Basically, the analytics professional proposes to the group, hey, we have this really cool model, it's super useful, we should bring it into CANA Core Algorithms for CANA to reinvest some time and energy in to make sure that it's properly maintained and codified, and the team votes on it. You know, either we designate it as yes, we see this as incredibly useful, or maybe we're waiting for a little bit more information or a little bit more proof that it is going to be useful for multiple clients in the future. The first model that we inducted into CANA Core Algorithms was the distribution network model. We lovingly call it DNM because we love acronyms. And what it does is it basically solves a transportation logistics problem. So we have a bunch of stuff that starts at a bunch of different places, and we have these specific ways that we can move it around. So maybe we have an aircraft, or maybe we have a truck, or maybe we have a ship, and we want to move it to these particular destinations. And what is a good way to do that? What's an effective way to do that? Can we do that in a given time frame? And so this is a really common problem across throughout the OR field that's really hard to solve, and we have a tool that can solve it really, really fast. So it's a algorithm that can solve a very common problem. We think it's a really good one, and it's something that we have applied to multiple projects.
So CANA Core Algorithms is really important for our clients due to the fact that it's going to reduce development time if we already have an off-the-shelf solution for them. The other piece that is very important is that we will already have these algorithms that we can potentially propose to solve their hardest problems.
Powered by CANA Analytics, to me, the way that I interpret that is CANA has a secret sauce, and the secret sauce is our people. And so I think our people, we have a lot of experience and we have a lot of knowledge that's incredibly useful and incredibly valuable. And I think that CANA Core Algorithms supports the Powered by CANA Analytics because we now have some tools in our tool belt that will better support not only our people solving our clients' problems, but just better support our clients. You know, we may be able to address problems that they didn't really think we could address because we have something that off the shelf that we can reach to and use.
I think that CANA Core Algorithms gives us a starting point that may be, weeks or months ahead of other companies and organizations that have thought about these problems. And the other piece of it is, the powered by CANA Analytics piece, which brings in the subject matter expertise of people at CANA on our team to be able to apply the problems appropriately or the solutions appropriately.